What's crack-a-lackin'? Welcome to 2025. We are now in Oklahoma. So we have moved locations. We are going to be working on a trailer we just picked up. We picked it up for about 500 bucks. It's a steal. It's an 18-foot long trailer and it definitely needs some work. So here it is after it was pressure washed. We painted the wheels just to see what it would look like. The wood used to be black, but we pressure washed it, so it's all Gucci now. So yeah, we painted the wheels to see what they look like. I think this is what they look like before. See, that's what they look like before. So I think we're gonna paint them black. But yeah, we picked this up for about $500. And it's gonna need some tires, obviously, but right now we're gonna be working on replacing the lights because they're broken and they don't work. So I got a light kit and that's what we're gonna be doing today. All right, so these are the old lamps. We're gonna ditch these and go with some LEDs. It's the best way to go, LED, the LED way. But anyway, so this wiring in this trailer is probably like 30 years old, so we gotta redo all that too. But we're gonna start on the left side. And I'm thinking we're gonna take these off because, for one, the one on the other side doesn't really exist, and this one, I don't even like it. None of it works, you know what I mean? So, but my idea is if we come over here, I got these. So I'm thinking I might put these on the corner right here, so like at nighttime you could see, you know, like where the end of the wheel well is, so you kind of know like how wide you are and stuff. I thought about putting some up there. I still might, but for now I'm just gonna put these probably in the corner in the front here. I'm definitely gonna have to get more, but yeah, so we're gonna take that off, or we're gonna cut it off, and then I'm gonna go under and pull out the old wire. I probably won't record that because that's pretty boring, but you get the gist of what we're doing here. So I almost forgot, when you're doing a job like this, you gotta have a cold one. All right, so I completely removed all the wiring, which is all right here, which is that old plug. I'll keep it just in case I need it, but yeah, all the lights are off, all the wires pulled out. Surprisingly, for being however old this trailer is, the undercarriage is pretty minty, all right? So we don't have anything to worry about under there. But now I'm gonna start running the new wires, which again, I'm not gonna record that because it's literally running wire, so it's kind of boring. But yeah, I'm gonna run those wires and then I will get back to you when we start to put the lights on. All right, so after getting all them wires ran, it ended up coming up short. Don't ask me why, I don't know. But what I did was I did some soldering. Soldered a little bit of the old wire on, and then heat shrinked. So now I'm gonna run this through and it'll come out of the hole over there for the light. And then we'll have the first light on. Okay, so run into a little issue, but because the way that this is laid out, right, I don't want any wires hanging back here. I kind of want it in the frame underneath the trailer. So come over here to the light. The way that it was I tried before was running the wires straight down, right? And then I've come to the realization that all the wires would be exposed. So what I think I'm gonna do is drill a hole right here. So have them run this way, have them run down, so they'll go there, down, and come out. I'll drill a hole here, and they'll all come out right here. And then once they come out of here, it's gonna go right into the frame. So it's just gonna look a lot cleaner, and I don't want any wires exposed. So for those of you who didn't understand what I was talking about, I got a hole here and a hole here. So now I'm gonna run these through. It's pretty much like that. So I think it's gonna look a lot cleaner. Let's go put it on. All right, so we got both of the lights in. Got them all soldered up and all that. I'm gonna do, it's currently about 3 o'clock in the morning. I started this project kind of late, but I'm gonna do these tomorrow. And remember what I said is we're gonna put these on the corners here, just so at night we could see where the wheel wells are. But yeah, the next clip will be tomorrow. Finally, we are done. All the lights are in. Well, the ones that I have right now, but yeah, we got all new wiring, all new lights, LED. Now the moment of truth is to see if all my soldering connections are good or not. But without further ado, let's pull up the truck and see if they work. Okay, so I got the truck pulled up. Now let's see. Oh, this is the new wiring I was telling you all about that I put on there. Moment of truth. Oh yeah. It's looking good, looking good. I gotta put the license plate thing on it. Wow. Look at that. They're all working. For a first timer, that ain't bad. And I know a lot of you are probably wondering, how come we haven't painted the trailer before we put the lights on? And to be honest with you, we like the rustic look. We like the way it looks. So, yeah, we're just gonna leave it that, paint the wheels, get some new tires. It's got a brand new set of lights. We're gonna add a winch, and remember where the old amber lights used to be? I might put another set and utilize on both sides, just cause I don't know why. I just think it'll look good. But oh yeah, I remember I was saying I didn't want any wires outside, but this is just a ground wire for the light. Because instead of drilling a hole, I might as well just attach it to that. So yeah, we're gonna end up adding a winch, and probably gonna cut this front bar off. This front bar, and probably gonna add a box so we could put, you know, straps and stuff in there. And then so winch, a box, and then we need to get a spare tire holder somewhere on here. We'll figure it out. But that's it for this video. If you like it, if you found it helpful, or if you have any comments or tips and tricks, leave it in the comments, obviously. But yeah, the next video will probably be attaching the winch and yeah, figuring out how we're gonna do all that and stuff. Till next time, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.